I'm RT with Haverford Systems, and we're here at City of London Investment Management Company's North American headquarters. We partnered with their team to deliver a full AV system for their office when they relocated to the historic Turk's Head garage building in downtown Westchester. This space was completely renovated, and our team's early involvement in the construction process made it easy to align the technology with their long-term needs.
And Haverford, it's been a pleasure working with them. We have an issue, which is rare. We get a response. Our systems are reliable. We can have meetings without worrying about the systems actually working. So it's been great. It's the exact opposite of what we had before.
The core of this project was the executive boardroom, which needed to handle frequent hybrid meetings with reliable professional performance.
I mean, the rooms that we're in right now are technically challenging to probably fit out. You know, we're right on a busy street.
To ensure everyone, remote or in person, is heard clearly, we installed a Sennheiser ceiling microphone system and ceiling-mounted Q-SYS speakers for even audio distribution.
The sound quality is impeccable though in here. So we've got ceiling microphones that pick up everybody's voice really well. It's just the overall experience of our meetings has gone up several notches.
A Q-SYS Core with a Logitech Tap controls the audio levels for peak performance. A Rally Cam provides high-quality video paired with dual displays that keep remote attendees and meeting content visible at all times. Outside of the boardroom is a room scheduler which syncs with Microsoft 365, making it easy to see when the room is booked. We applied similar solutions in 2 additional conference rooms and installed Logitech meetup systems for their 2 other huddle rooms. As the renovation came together, City of London needed a sound masking system, so we designed a Biamp system which fills both floors with ambient noise and keeps conversations from being overheard. And with digital signage placed in key locations, the team can instantly share company news and announcement whenever needed.
After using these meeting rooms for a couple of months, the decision was made that we wanted to do the same at our other offices. So we've actually been working with you guys to fit out our office in upstate New York, and we're trying to mirror the same thing for our office in London.
With this integrated system, City of London now has a smarter, more connected workplace that supports their day-to-day operations. For more information about this project and how we can help your business, reach out to us at haverford.com.